Before you pick up another basic tool, watch a benchtop planer flatten hardwood like butter and a palm-sized gauge outsmart a full jig. If you've felt stuck between messy cuts and slow setups, this is your turning point. Today we'll explore 24 next-level Amazon woodworking tools with videos that sharpen accuracy, speed, and safety. Stay for the surprise, a tiny accessory that quietly transforms your workflow more than a big machine. Number 24. Kreg KMA3700 Accu-Cut XL Track Saw Guide System. All the accuracy of a track saw without buying a new saw. The Accu-Cut XL's extended guide delivers long, straight rips and crosscuts on full-size sheet goods. Anti-chip and anti-slip strips help produce clean edges and keep the track planted, often without clamps. The universal sled fits most circular saws and sets up quickly, so you're breaking down plywood like a pro within minutes. Pair it with a quality blade and you'll get splinter-controlled cuts that rival panel saws, ideal for cabinet builds, closets, and shop projects in small spaces. Number 23. UN JT833H 8-inch spiral benchtop jointer. Flattened faces and square edges with benchtop convenience. The JT833H's spiral-style cutter head uses rows of small, reversible inserts that whisper through hardwoods and help reduce tear-out. A cast-style table and adjustable tilting fence support workpieces accurately, while positive stops simplify common bevels. For builders preparing boards for panel glue-ups, frames, or cabinetry, this jointer delivers the straight, square references your projects demand, without needing a floor-standing machine. Easy insert maintenance and compact size make it a practical upgrade for any shop chasing flatter, cleaner stock and tighter joints. Number 22. SKIL SPT99T01811 Fortune. Portable worm drive, table saw. Worm drive heritage in a compact job site saw. The SPT99T01 delivers high-torque ripping with a rack and pinion fence that glides square and locks true, so parts come off the saw to final size. A metal roll cage shrugs off job site abuse, and the bevel wheel gives fine control for tight joinery. The included blade guard, riving knife, and anti-kickback powls keep cuts safer without slowing you down. If you build on site or in a small shop, this saw brings serious power and accuracy in a footprint that's easy to move. Number 21. Bora Portamate Speedhorse Sawhorse Pair. Pop them open in seconds and build a stable workstation anywhere. Speedhorse legs deploy instantly with a single lever. No fighting with pins or twist locks. The wide top accepts 2x sacrificial boards to create a full platform, and non-miring feet keep them planted on finished floors. Built to handle serious loads, they're perfect for breaking down sheet goods, supporting a miter saw, or staging assemblies. When the job wraps, they fold flat and stack tight in the truck. Fast, strong, portable. These are the sawhorses you'll actually bring to every job. Number 20. Kreg KMS7200 Precision Bandsaw Fence. Transform a good bandsaw into a precision machine. Kreg's fence locks parallel to the blade with a stout T-square design, while micro-adjustment dials in resaw thicknesses you can trust. A reversible low-high fence face supports tall stock or delicate curves, and the cursor scale speeds repeat setups. The aluminum construction stays rigid without adding bulk, and the system adapts to many popular saws. If you resaw veneers, bookmatch panels, or crave straighter rip cuts on the bandsaw, this fence brings table saw-like confidence to your most versatile cutting tool. Number 19. Wen PL1326 13-inch spiral. Benchtop thickness planer. Upgrade your surface finish without going industrial. The PL1326 uses a spiral-style cutter head with rows of small, reversible inserts that slice cleanly and help tame tear-out, even in tricky grain. A stout 13 capacity, adjustable depth, and integrated dust port make it practical for small shops. When an insert dulls, loosen a screw, rotate, and keep working. No lengthy knife setups. For hobbyists stepping up quality or pros seeking a quieter benchtop planer, this machine delivers smooth results, easy maintenance, and cost-effective blades that stretch your budget and your production. Number 18. Dewalt DW735X 13-inch 2-speed thickness planer. A job site legend for a reason. The DW735X's 3-knife cutter head and 2 feed rates deliver silky surfaces for glue-ups or rapid stock removal when you're dimensioning lumber. Fan-assisted chip ejection blasts shavings into a bag or collector, protecting knives and keeping your shop clean. The included in-feed/outfeed tables and extra knife set sweeten the value. With a lockable carriage that fights snipe and a dead-flat 13-toiser width, this planer turns rough boards into furniture-ready stock. If you mill your own lumber, it's a reliable, repeatable workhorse that pays for itself fast. Number 17. BOSCH GCM12 SD12 Dual-Bevel Glide Miter Saw. Bosch's Axial Glide TM arm is the star, No bulky rails, just ultra-smooth zero-play sliding in a compact footprint that fits against a wall. Dual-bevel capability, easy-to-read detents, and a tall fence make crown, base, and picture frames precise and repeatable. The upfront bevel controls mean less reaching, while a robust motor and soft start deliver clean cuts in hardwoods, MDF, and PVC trim. For shops that demand accuracy but don't have space to spare, this miter saw brings pro-level capacity, silky action, and dialed-in angles that look like they came off a CNC. Number 16. Makita XS806Z 18V X2. Two 18V batteries power a brushless motor for corded-like performance without the cord drag. Makita's automatic speed change TM maintains torque under load, while an electric brake and magnesium components keep the saw light, tough, and responsive. Dual LED lights, an oversized rafter hook, and a dust port make job site use cleaner and safer. With a full 7 1/4 capacity and smooth tracking on rips or crosscuts, it's a framing beast that doubles for cabinet-grade sheet work. If you're already on Makita 18V, this is a powerhouse upgrade for serious productivity. Number 15. Wen CT1065 10 amp 6.5-inch Plunge Cut Track Saw. Turn sheet goods into laser-straight panels with a compact track saw that acts like a portable panel saw. The WN CT1065 delivers smooth plunge cuts, bevels for clean miters, and dust collection that keeps your cut line visible. Paired with compatible guide tracks, it leaves a splinter-controlled edge on plywood, MDF, and melamine. The low-profile blade guard lets you start cuts anywhere on the sheet, perfect for sink openings and floor register cutouts. If shop space is tight, this is an affordable way to get track saw precision on demand. Number 14. BOSCH 1617 EVSPK 2.25 HP Router Combo Kit. A longtime pro favorite. The 1617 EVSPK pairs a 12 amp motor, variable 8,000-25,000 RPM, with Bosch's constant response circuitry to maintain speed under load for clean edges. Micro-fine depth adjustments, smooth plunge action, and classic rounded hardwood handles give precise control. You get 1 cordons and a half as collets, chip shields, wrenches, and rugged bases that integrate easily with jigs and tables. Whether you're edge profiling, slotting, template routing, or dovetailing, this kit brings reliability and accuracy that hold up year after year. Exactly what you want in a core shop router. Number 13. SKIL RT 132200 14 amp Plunge and Fixed Base Router Combo. Serious power with smart controls. This 14 amp 2.5 HP router includes both plunge and fixed bases, an LCD speed control that suggests RPM by bit material, electronic feedback to hold speed under load, and soft start for smooth launches. Dual LED work lights and a live tool indicator boost safety and visibility. Micro depth adjustment plus 1 quarter-hands and 1 diatham collets cover most operations, from didos and profiles to mortises and template work. If you want big brand capability without the price shock, this kit delivers excellent cut quality and convenience features built for real shop use. Number 12. Dewalt 20V Max XR Oscillating Toolkit. A compact problem solver for tight spots. The brushless motor delivers long runtime, while the 3-speed selector and dual grip variable trigger give precise control for plunge cuts, trim, and sanding. The quick change system swaps accessories tool-free, and the universal adapter plays nicely with most third-party blades. An onboard LED lights the cut line in dim corners. For flooring, drywall, cabinet installs, or detail sanding, this multi-tool is the one you reach for first. Versatile, controlled, and tough enough for site work, yet refined enough for delicate, finish-critical tasks. Number 11. Milescraft 1219 Circle Guide Kit. Turn your router into a circle cutting machine. The 1219's sturdy aluminum beam, metric imperial scales, and pivot accessories let you route perfect circles from about 101 $1 up to roughly 52 pounds in diameter. Ideal for tabletops, speaker cutouts, and decor. Setup is straightforward. Mount your router to the base plate, pin the center, set the radius, and make smooth, accurate passes. It includes an offset base for edge routing control too. Compared with shop-made jigs, this kit is faster, more precise, and adjustable on the fly. Great when you need repeatable circles without reinventing the wheel. Number 10. Milescraft 1621 Edge Sander. Finish 2 edges at once. The Edge Sander's V-groove body hugs boards from roughly 1 quarter to 1.5 inches thick, so both faces get sanded simultaneously. Fast and square. Pop in any 5-edge hook and loop sanding disc, grab the ergonomic handle, and run it along edges to clean up laminates, veneer, or solid wood. It's brilliant for cabinet parts and shelves where uniform, splinter-free edges matter. Instead of juggling a palm sander and trying to keep things even, this tool simplifies the task and produces a consistent, ready-to-finish edge with way less fuss. Number 9. Milescraft 8408 center finder. Mark dead center lines in seconds. The 8408 straddles your board and guides a pencil for a perfectly centered scribe, plus offset notches in 1/16 steps from 1/16 to 5/8 for quick reveals. It even stores a number 2 pencil and parks on a steel surface via a rare earth magnet. Use it to find centers on square stock, lay out mortises, or mark door and drawer offsets consistently. For turners, cabinet makers, and DIYers, this little plastic wonder eliminates fiddly measurements and keeps layouts uniform across a project, boosting accuracy while shaving minutes off every setup. Number 8. Milescraft 1348 DrillMatePRO Portable Drill Guide. A portable drill press for the real world. DrillMatePRO's all-metal build, large 1/2 keyed chuck, and dual guide bar springs keep the bit tracking square while you drill straighter holes, anywhere. The head tilts with infinite adjustment from degrees to 60 degrees for accurate angle drilling, and a built-in V-groove centers on pipe and dowels. Independent depth stop and brass-bushed guide head reduce play for cleaner bores. When the workpiece won't fit on a drill press, or you don't own one, this guide delivers repeatable perpendicular or angled holes with shop-grade accuracy right on site. Number 7. MICROJIG FITFINDER. 1/2 gauge. Set perfect 50/50 joints without math. Slide the FITFINDER against any stock up to roughly 3 in thick, and it automatically captures the exact halfway point. Lock the setting, then transfer it to blade height, bit depth, or fence position for dead flush rabbets, resaw centering, tongue and groove fits, and box joint setups. It's faster and more reliable than eyeballing with rulers, especially on odd thicknesses or planed boards that aren't nominal. Simple, precise, and durable, this little gauge eliminates guesswork and delivers pro-fit joinery on the first try. Huge for speed and accuracy. Number 6. MICROJIG MATCHFIT Dovetail Clamps. These clever clamps slide in a 1/2 14-degree dovetail groove that you cut with a standard bit, so you can put a clamp anywhere without T-track. Because the arm runs inside the groove, your work surface stays clear of hardware. Build custom fences, stop blocks, sleds, and assembly tables that lock down fast and adjust in seconds. The geometry resists lift out and lets you clamp both horizontally and vertically. If you love building jigs, MATCHFIT opens a modular work-holding ecosystem that's cheaper than aluminum tracks and infinitely customizable to your workflow. Number 5. Kreg KMA2685 Rip-Cut Circular Saw Guide. When you need repeatable rips in sheet goods, the Rip-Cut rides along the board's edge so your saw tracks straight every time. The universal sled fits most circular saws, the reversible edge guide works left or right bladed, and the oversized handle helps maintain steady contact. Set a width once, and duplicate parts quickly without marking or measuring. It's a smart pairing with the Accu-Cut. Use Rip-Cut for fast, same width strips, and Accu-Cut for final dimensioning. For cabinets, shop furniture, or trim, it's a huge time saver that keeps cuts consistent and frustration low. Number 4. Kreg KMA2700 Accu-Cut Circular Saw Track. Turn any circular saw into a track saw for straight, splinter-controlled cuts up to 48s. The aluminum guide locks in your line, while anti-chip, anti-slip strips keep the track steady, often no clamps needed. It rips, crosscuts, and angles sheet goods with a clean edge that's glue-ready, perfect when you don't have space for a table saw. Setup is fast. Align to marks, drop the saw on the sled, and go. For breaking down plywood, MDF, and melamine with pro-looking edges, Accu-Cut is an affordable, portable way to get track saw accuracy in any shop. Number 3. Kreg Pocket-Hole Jig 720 PRO. Kreg's flagship bench jig streamlines pocket holes with Automax R, clamping that auto-adjusts to material thickness, 1/2 and 1/2, so setup is basically instant. The GripMax TM pad holds your workpiece steady, and the quick set drill bit and stop collar keep hole depth spot on. Integrated wings store bits and screws and convert to material support for long panels, a small shop luxury. If you batch cabinet boxes, face frames, or shop jigs, the 720 PRO delivers consistent, tear-free bores and rock-solid joints with pro speed, making it a go-to joinery system for modern builds. Number 2. MICROJIG GRR-RIPPER GR200 Advanced 3D Pushblock. The GR200 builds on the GRR-RIPPER concept with micro adjusters and an auxiliary stabilizing plate for even finer control. Use it to dial in repeatable thin rips, manage bevels, dados, and resawing, and keep irregular stock tracking straight. The moving blade guard shields your hand as the high grip pads clamp the work to the table. It's the rare safety tool that also improves cut quality. Less burning, less chatter, cleaner edges. If you do cabinetry or small parts work, this upgrade level push block quickly becomes a "why didn't I get this sooner?" essential. Number 1. MICROJIG GRR-RIPPER GR100 3D Table Saw Push Block. If you cut small parts or work close to the blade, this push block is a lifesaver. The GRR-RIPPER's high-friction green grip pads hold stock firmly while its adjustable legs straddle the blade, giving you 3-directional control: downward pressure, inward pressure, and forward feed, to tame kickback and keep your hands safe. It excels at thin rips and narrow offcuts on table saws, plus doubles on router tables and jointers. A simple, durable design that boosts precision and confidence on every pass, especially when accuracy and safety matter most. If these tools sparked ideas for your next build, drop your favorite pick in the comments. What are you testing first? If you found this helpful, hit like so the algorithm knows, share it with a maker friend, and subscribe for more smart, time-saving woodworking gear. New videos drop weekly with full links and specs. Until then, measure twice, cut once, and keep making.